How to redeem a YouTube premium code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem a YouTube premium code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for youtube.com/redeem. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and enter the redemption code sent to you in the text box you see here, and finally tap on the next button. And with this, if the code you entered was correct, the code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem a YouTube premium code. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.